how to create a new document while we are already working on a particular one. We have been working on this, so we want to create a new one. Now we'll click on File menu. In the previous lesson, we learned about features. Lesson 2, we talked about file, where we mentioned new being on the file menu. So the file actually is a button. So we click on the file, then we will see our new. I will now click on the new document and we choose which one goes well with us. We have sales report, this is a template. Then we have blank workbook where we create from scratch. The template is to continue from a prepared workbook. So we are clicking on the blank workbook. So it has opened. We have book 3. 2 books have been created today on this system. So this one is the 3rd book. It has not been saved. That's why we can see book 3 there. Now, after creating the documents, we have the workbook. We have to save it so that we will not lose it when we want to work on it. So save is to click on the file menu and to click on save. It will bring up a save as dialog box because this is the first time we are saving it. We can as well, instead of clicking on save, go straight to save because we know we are creating it for the first time. So I click on the save as and I click on computer because I want to save it offline. This is online. I want to save it offline. I click on computer. Then I'll click on either desktop or document. I want to save it in document, so I'm going to click on documents and it will bring up this place and we will write in the file name a name that we can remember, one that is close to what we are working about. That is the job we are doing. Now this is an Excel lesson, so instead of going to talk about or give it a different name, I'll just write my Excel tutorial. Now we save it in documents, so I'm clicking on save. The save as type should just be workbook. You can choose to change it, but if you change it, you know that each time you are saving it again, you save in that format. So I'll just save it as a normal Excel workbook. Click on my save and the job is saved. So I can now work my Excel job has just begun. Enter. And now I can use the short save to not open dialog box again, unless I want to choose a different location or give it a different name. I can use save as. Clicking on save as, then it will still bring up the dialog box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.